Let's be honest out there, having a hobby that's around a creative art is expensive, so finding ways to save money while you practice building your skills is imperative. And behind my towel here, I'm gonna show you the best way that I learned how to practice without hurting my wallet. Hey all, Wild here, helping you on your painting adventures. If this is your first time here, I come out with new videos every month that's gonna help you be the best you can be with your creative adventures out there. So make sure you smash that subscribe button down below so that way you can see all my videos when they go live. Now, without further ado, here we go. We'll just fix that in post. That's all right, just push that off. There we go. It's all right. Editing magic. To save a ton of money while you're practicing, all you need is a spare piece of wood or compressed wood, some canvas pads or paper, masking tape or cheap painter's tape, and one of my favorites, coupons that I get all the time in the mail that's gonna save you a lot of cash. If you're not familiar with canvas pads or paper, all it is gessoed canvas that comes in this nice little booklet here that you can use to paint on top of as you practice your adventures. But it doesn't really give you the natural feel that you need. So I'm gonna show you an awesome little hack where we take our canvas pads or paper, tear it out of our booklet, and we're gonna use the masking tape or painter's tape to apply it onto our nice piece of spare wood. Now, I got this piece of spare wood actually out of the trash at work and I just cleaned it off. Now, please excuse my floor. You're going to want a nice flat surface to apply your canvas pad so that way you can make it nice and level, as well as you're going to need either masking tape and or painter's tape, whatever is cheaper for you. Start by ripping out your canvas pad from your pack. Now you can get whatever size you want and put it nice and level in the middle of your wood panel here. Measure out how much masking tape you'll need and simply just rip and start applying. And it's okay if the lines aren't perfect, don't worry about it. This is just a practice piece of paper. Go around once on the edges to make sure you have a nice seal so nothing falls off. With your paper attached to your board, go ahead and set it into your easel, and now you have the perfect practice canvas that's gonna work flawlessly, and it only costs you a few dollars, or sometimes it costs you under $1. This hack works great because canvas pad and paper doesn't absorb a lot of the painting material. Thus, you don't have to waste as much oil or acrylic paint to get it to spread across the entire section of your canvas. Plus, this makes you feel like you're not wasting a lot of money if you're not good with doing skies or clouds or trees or mountains yet. And you can just practice, practice, and practice until you nail it. Now, one thing I want to mention really quick to make this an awesome hack is take advantage of those coupons you get, whether they be digital or sent to your mail. I get coupons sent to me about once a week or once every 2 weeks. And you can use these to buy the canvas pads, which sometimes go between $10 and $15 depending on how many you want and also the size. But you can use one of these 50% coupons or 30% coupons to really save a lot of money for when you practice, because you're gonna be practicing a bunch at the beginning. Now, if you're wondering how I made awesome clouds just like this, you can easily paint them too by watching this video over here to the side, because I'm gonna show you how to be a cloud master. You're gonna love it. Until next time, my name is Wild, helping you all become bigger and better with your painting adventures. Until then, peace.